name is Monali Casey. Today for the pollution health video report, I'm choosing the element arsenic, which is also known as arsenic black, arsenicals, colloidal arsenic, grey arsenic, metallic arsenic 75, etc. The name is believed to have come from a Persian word for the yellow pigment known as orpiment. Some also believe it was subsequently borrowed by the Greeks for their word arsenikon, which means masculine or potent.
This is the chemical formula for arsenic and the picture.
The discovery of arsenic is attributed to Albertus Magnus at around 1250 AD, who obtained it by heating soap together with orpiment. It was also known beforehand to the Egyptians and the Greek and also the Chinese. Some interesting past uses were that it was used for the treatment of psoriasis and for cancer. In Victorian times, arsenic was medicinally used. Like Dr. Fowler's solution was a popular cure-all tonic that was even used by Charles Dickens. An arsenic-based drug called salvarsan was developed in 1910 by Nobel laureate Paul Ehrlich to treat the sexually transmitted diseases like syphilis. In the Middle Ages, it was used for murder by the ruling classes because the symptoms were similar to cholera, which was common at the time. Arsenic is a well-known poison. Its compounds are sometimes used as rat poisons and insecticides, but the use is strictly controlled. Today, organoarsenic compounds are added to poultry feed to prevent disease and improve weight gain. It is also used as doping agent in semiconductors, gallium arsenide for solid-state devices, which has the ability to convert electric current to laser light. It is also used in bronzing, pyrotechnics, and for hardening shot. It is used industrially as an alloying agent as well as in the processing of glass, pigments in paints, textiles, paper, metal adhesives, wood preservatives, and ammunition. A small amount of arsenic is found in its native state in different parts of the world like Siberia, Germany, France, Italy, Romania, and in the US. It's mainly found in minerals. The most common arsenic containing mineral is arsenopyrite, others are realgar, orpiment, and inargite. It is produced by a byproduct of copper and lead refining. It can be obtained from arsenopyrite by heating, causing the arsenic to sublime and leave behind iron sulfide. So this map here shows where we can find arsenic, and here are some physical properties. Arsenic appears in three allotropic forms: yellow, black, and gray. The stable form is a silver-gray brittle crystalline solid. It tarnishes rapidly in air and at high temperatures, forming a white cloud of arsenic trioxide. It is a member of group Va of the periodic table, which combines readily with other elements. The non-metallic form is less reactive but will dissolve when heated with strong iodizing acids and alkalis. So how does it contaminate the water? Arsenic can enter the water supply from natural deposits in the earth or from industrial and agricultural pollution. It is widely believed that naturally occurring arsenic dissolves out of certain rocks formations when groundwater level drops significantly. Some industries in the United States release thousands of pounds of arsenic into the environment every year. Once released, arsenic remains in the environment for a long time. It is removed from the air by rain, snow, and gradual settling. Once on the ground or in surface water, it can slowly enter groundwater. High arsenic levels in private wells may come from certain arsenic-containing fertilizers used in the past or industrial waste. It may also indicate improper well construction or overuse of chemical fertilizers or herbicides in the past. There have been many documented cases of toxicity by this compound, like in Bangladesh. 97% of the population use groundwater, which contains high levels of arsenic, causing 85 million people at risk from arsenic in drinking water. International Agency for Research on Cancer classifies arsenic and inorganic arsenic compounds as carcinogenic to humans. By ingestion, as little as 20 milligrams of arsenic may be life-threatening to man. Acute symptoms of arsenic poisoning may include vomiting, abdominal pain, encephalopathy, and watery diarrhea that contains blood. Chronic inhalation exposure to inorganic arsenic is associated with irritation of the skin and mucous membranes, while chronic oral exposures has resulted in gastrointestinal effects, anemia, peripheral neuropathy, skin lesions, liver or kidney damage, heart disease, and cancer, among others.